We recently got the BEMIS slow close lid with quick release. One of the things that's really nice about it is that the cleaning is super easy. You can see right now that I have it off, and I'll show you how I'm going to go ahead and put that on and take it off. It's real simple when you install it. Also, this is an elongated version and there's the round version, so you need to measure before you actually purchase. But the round is 16.5 inches and this version right here is 18.5, and so you'll be able to tell just based off of measurements and also the shape of your toilet if you know what you're looking at. And so anyways, one thing I really like, the slow close, but I think the coolest feature honestly for cleaning, if you have kids like we do, you know, they can go everywhere, so it's nice to be able to take the seat off and really get in there. So when you install it, there's these little plugs that go in here and that holds these in place. And then all you do, if I flip this back like this, you can see that all you're gonna do is go ahead and slide it on. Just like that. So you can see that's all on there now, and then you go ahead and push these down, they snap right in. And really simple for cleaning and everything else. If you're a clean freak like my wife, you know, you'll definitely love it. And then as far as the slow release goes, I'll just give you a little example here. It takes a little bit of time, but not too bad at all. Like I said, we're pretty happy with them. Our kids aren't slamming the toilet seats every time we turn around, which is really nice. And yeah, pretty happy with it.